of great gifts. I got a little carried away.
I can see that. Looking good, Colin.
Yeah, good.
Hurry, this weekend Walmart has hundreds of great gifts at new lower prices online and in-store.
The Jeep Cherokee. With intuitive front and rear park assist. Pretty wild, right?
The NFL on CBS is sponsored by Walmart, where you'll find unbeatable prices on this year's top gifts. Verizon XLTE on America's largest, most reliable 4G LTE network. And by Bud Light, reminds fans to stay in the game and drink responsibly.
It's the last week to vote for the 2015 Pro Bowl. Select the best players regardless of conference. Then Chris Carter and Michael Irvin will draft teams as alumni captains. Vote now at NFL.com/Pro Bowl ballot. Voting ends Monday night. First half comparison for Brady and the second half numbers.